I can sit on here.
Okay, guys, so today we got a box in the mail. I'm so excited to open it up. Let's see what it is. Let's get right into the video. Oh yeah, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. So excited.
It's a kettle?
Oh,
No, it's a kettle.
We got
A
an
kettle?
Ultra Kettle 5000. It's really good for making Mr. Noodles. We got this right here. We're gonna test
Here's
it
the
out.
bag.
We're
We
gonna
can't
test
forget
this
this
out.
though.
This is the heater. You plug this in, I think, and then you put.
a power plug over there.
Yes, I think you open this. Yes,
And remember,
And-
guys, make sure to like
and you gotta put water in it.
There's a plug over here.
One.
Oh yeah, thank you to all our fans who sent us gifts like this. This is a very precious, valuable, and we're gonna see if the water is actually working. As you can see, there's steam rising.
Magic.
Magic. I think it's gonna work, guys.
Yep.
The only problem is I don't have a fork.